Some times ago I owned a Honda, and the air condition didn't work. And guys, I give you the answer immediately. It was the failure of the relay. But the story is quite interesting because you probably never met the problem in this way. So the material was recorded long time ago without any voice over. So I still decided to combine it in this video, and probably it will be useful for someone. So in the beginning you have seen that I turn on the air condition, and you can hear the clutch. I think in English it's a clutch. So it looks like everything works, but there is no cold air. It's a little bit chill sometimes, but not cold. I visited service here. They put more, how it is in English, coolant. Yeah, so it didn't solve the problem, so I decided to research it myself, and I found the next. So in this original relay, Amron, guys, I don't have the car anymore, so I don't remember where it was located. But you can see a lot of videos in internet about what exact relay I mean. So something is shaking. It's still that relay. I keep it here. So something is wrong, and I'm going to open it soon. But it's still operating, and I will now show you how I checked it. You have seen I provided a standard 12 volts to the coil, and I demonstrated by the tester that the contacts are 0 ohm, so they switching. And yeah, guys, when it's installed there, you don't see any problems. You don't understand. It seems work. You test it, unless I decided to shake it. So, in my understanding, they don't provide enough current. Yeah, or something else. We will soon open. And so I decided to replace this original one, which is not Honda but Omron. I asked in Honda service, and the guy told me 20 euros. Yeah, and when I explained them, then guys, the relay is maximum 5 euros, but actually it should be about 2 euros. Yeah, it's Honda. Well, it's not Honda, it's Omron. So I found another one for 5. And I share with you the one that you can use, Bosch. Yeah, that one. So it's quite okay. It's higher profile, but it's fine. When I put it, everything start operating. Yeah, just believe me. I will show you now this, but you cannot see the cold on the video yet. We haven't yet designed that technology. But you just trust me that it was fine. So let's finally open it and see what is there. After several years, yeah, at last. Well, I did a hole there, just here, and I already see a resistor there. Look, I never seen a resistor. Oops! Inside the relay. So is that resistor? Yeah. That is quite interesting stuff. I have to open more and see. Well, that is quite interesting. Okay. I decided to shake more, and there was something shaking, probably a piece of plastic, but we will never know because it lost. So now nothing is there. Okay guys, 1K resistor, 1 kilo ohm. You may tell me in comments why do we need it here, but the actual problem, yeah, it's quite difficult with one hand, but let me try to demonstrate you. Yeah, so okay, it still works, it's still operating, but when you look at the contacts there, oxidized, yeah, so you can see this blue stuff. So maybe that's the reason. And guys, I told you in the beginning that I heard, and you heard also, this clutch, but no cold coming. Actually, probably the problem was a little bit different. Probably it was like sometimes clutch doesn't operating. Probably. So I don't know exactly, but it doesn't matter. What is matter that just replace the relay. First of all, even if it seems it works, yeah, you can see it works. You tell me about this 1K, but for example, everything would be okay with this one. Where it could be installed here, I have no idea. It doesn't look like soldered. But I think the problem are oxidized contacts or something with contacts, yeah. So always replace. Yeah, it was quite a long video. I think some of you maybe think why you didn't cover this just in 1 minute. Yeah, guys, yeah, you can spend $100 euros visiting services, but they will never replace the relay for you because they think it's not a problem or they don't even check it. But you know, yeah, there are a lot of video about blah blah blah. Again, the same. So you got the point. I hope I will get your like and subscribe to see more of this kind of stuff. Bye.